Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to share with you my gratitude journal, like what I'm writing and what actually I'm sharing in my diary as a full-time English learner or a YouTuber. I know that so many people are also writing, and at the same time so many people are not writing, but these things make us more better, make us more resilient to get what we want, because we all have so many odds, so many life situations and problems there. Usually we are thinking in a negative way, and we start thinking that we think that life is not going in a good way. So it's important to write a gratitude journal where we can write everything that is going on in a positive way. And we all know that life is not going in a good way, but at the same time so many people are, so many situations or you know things are going in a good way. So but it's our perspective, it's individuals perspective, that where they are focusing on, which aspect of their life they are focusing. So in a gratitude note, we are writing positive things that are going on, and we are we all are thankful for everything that we have in our life. So today I'm going to share my gratitude note, like what I'm writing right now. So in the early morning, usually I'm writing every single day, and this is my first thing because this makes me more calm and peaceful. So in today's gratitude note, I'm writing, thank you, God, for giving me this beautiful life. I'm very thankful that I have everything that I want to have. Thank you. I love myself. I love myself. I'm very happy for my life. My English fluency become more fluent. My English fluency become more fluent. I am so happy. I can speak fluently. I can speak confidently. It's very easy for me to speak confidently in front of peoples and groups. I can easily speak whatever I want to speak and deliver my ideas. Thank you so much for giving me this level of fluency. I'm grateful where I am and what I'm becoming every single day. I'm making good money. Thank you for my all money that you gave me and you giving me every single day. I'm very grateful that I am using the right word for the right time, and I am a confident, fluent English speaker. I can easily say what I want to say to someone, to everyone. I'm very grateful that I'm becoming more fluent every single day. I'm grateful for my health. My health is very good, and my health makes me more strong, and I feel more good. I feel more confident with my body. I love myself. I accept myself. I accept my every single mistake because I know I'm in a journey. I'm in the process. I'm learning. So I'm very, very thankful and I accept myself. I always think positive because this is my habit. I'm habitual to think positive. Thinking positive is very, very easy. It's not a big deal. Dear universe, I'm thankful for you. I'm very grateful for you that you are giving me good people every single day. You are giving me everything that necessary in my life, that I need in my life. Thank you so much for giving me everything. So this is today's gratitude note. And I'm literally, guys, I'm very grateful as a human being, as an individual. I'm very, very grateful every single day in my life because when we grateful, that time we will, we will be more peaceful, we will be more calm and relaxed. That yes, I already have everything that I want to have. And guys, I want to tell you that we all have so many problems in our life. We all also facing so many people. But when we start focusing on positivity, in our life, that time I guarantee you that your whole life scenes start converting into positive. I know it takes time, but it will definitely happen if you will start thinking in a positive way. In the morning, we usually wake up and start thinking continuously about our life. And I already mentioned in my last video, our morning is very important. Try to write something good that are going on in your life. And if you are thinking that my life is not like you, Rahul, my life is going in a negative way or bad way, that time I want to tell you guys, you, if you are alive and if you are living your life, whether whatever your life, but if you are living, you alive, that time just try to be grateful. Write gratitude note for your breath, for your every breath that you are breathing. It's very important, guys. This is my honest thing. Gratitude note can change your life. Usually I'm writing and after my writing I'm reading my gratitude note. What I've written, I wrote. So this is very important. And whenever you feel bad or whatever bad happen in your life, that time just try to read your gratitude notes, all notes that you have written. So when you when you read your when you read your gratitude note every single day, that time you realize that how lucky you are. Everybody is thinking that they are not lucky enough, their luck is not working and all that rubbish things. But we all are lucky because we are living life. So try to be more grateful, guys. This is the thing that I want to share with you, and I shared. I'm very grateful for you all that are watching my video. This is this is the thing, guys. If you are watching till now, I'm very grateful for you, and this means a lot to me. I'm very grateful for my health, and you should be grateful for your health. Health is important. Try to be relaxed and focus on just one thing at a time. We don't need to do multiple things at the same time. We are a human being, guys. So try to be understand that thing. And if you are learning English, it's a journey, guys.